Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. So check this out. Here's a kind of a personal matter right here. This, my friends, is my wife's car. We bought this brand new in 2014. It's a 2014 Ford Fusion Hybrid SE. Fully loaded top to bottom, remote start, remote trunk thing, panic and run like crazy alarm. Super nice car. It's got like 3 rock chips total. It's got no miles on it barely for what the year of it is. Headlights, HIDs, LED, projector fog lights, brand new tires. I bought these actually a couple months ago. So yeah, as you can see, tires are like brand new, front and back, all the same. They all match, brand new, because I'm OCD. That's why. I got the windows tinted 20% to match all the way around. And she never drives it. Garage kept. It's got like a ding there maybe because she's a woman. No offense, females. Love you guys. Love you girls, I mean. But my wife kept extremely good care of this car, as you can see. Super clean inside. The dash is in great shape. And I taught her. I was like, when you touch this touchscreen, don't put your fingers, smear them on it, and touch hard as hell. Use it gently. So, with that said, the screen's in great shape. The shifters are in good shape. The buttons are in good shape. They're not abused. The steering wheel's in good shape. AC works great. Controls at your hands, your fingertips. It's got, let's see the miles on it. Ready? Push start button. 65,748 miles on it. So there you have it. So really nice. The seats are in great shape. No rips. Driver's seat, no rips, nothing like that. Sunroof, power, everything. Back seats are in great shape. No, we didn't have a kid at the time, so the seats are in great shape. Yeah. Awesome car. We've gone on a few road trips with it and we love it. So here it is for sale. We're posting it here. If you guys have any information or questions about it, it's hybrid electric. I mean, it's electric gas. So when you step on it, the motor kicks in. It's got a cool little graph that shows you what you're using at the current moment. It's a really nice car. I love driving it. It's fun to drive. It's easy to drive. And yeah, hope the new owner loves it. So here it is. And that's about it. So if you guys have any questions, holler at me. This is Mark. Subscribe, hit the notification button. You'll see more crazy videos coming up here soon. This is not a crazy video. This is my wife's car. So give her a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs up anyways, because it's her car. Who really cares anyways? Because I'll give you guys a thumbs up if it was your wife's car. I'm just messing with you guys. I love you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. This is Mark signing out. See ya.